Hey everybody, Scott here. Wanted to show you this Birdrock brand's 3-in-1 barbecue prep tub. So I got this. A, obviously I like to barbecue. B, wanted something to prep and season my meats in or something before I cook them on the grill. And wanted kind of a multifunctional one. So like I said, this is a 3-in-1. Couple cool features of this. First off, they include this card in here right here. So with some information on it, but it's got this lid here which easily goes on and off, which is pretty cool. You got this tab over here in the corner to help you take it off. And then another cool feature is it is collapsible. So here's your feet on the bottom here, and then this can also serve as a cutting board right there. And then right here is your drain too, if you want to drain any liquids or anything like that out of it, which is pretty cool. And then just screws back on just like that. But then this tub collapses down to make it bigger, and it is pretty large. So go ahead and collapse it all the way, or extend it all the way. So there you go, extend it all the way. You could fit a pretty good piece of food or meat in here to season it, clean it, cut your vegetables, whatever. And then it collapses back down after you expand it. Like I said, there's the legs on the bottom with a couple, some rubber stoppers on the bottom. And then this just collapses back down. So there you go, collapse back down, turns into the cutting board. And then obviously you got your lid. So when it's extended out, you can put your lid on it. If you got your meat in here, put it in the fridge, wherever you want it to be. There you go. So that's pretty much it.